Not really. Not really, but it encourages. Hello guys, hello. It's fine, you can pass. I'm trying to come and sit next to me so that let's look for lights. Yes. Okay, so I sit like that. Yes, I'm sitting like that. Hey guys, how you doing? Please make way to Mai Titi's Diaries page. Some serious issue here we need to discuss, yeah? Some serious issue. You have to come here. How are you guys doing? I will start talking when you guys are 300. I swear, this is not just a story. Guys, please make way. You can hear me properly, right? Hey. My lovely, my lights. My lovely, my lights. Right. Guys, make way. We need to chit chat, yeah? Somebody recognized me. Yeah. Nancy, hi, Mai Titi and Fari. Oh, thank God you know Fari. Tinechi juicy chiripano, Nancy, guys. Make way. We need to talk. I'll start talking when you are 300. I need 300 and above because this issue, this issue, remember, if you pass insults here, we block. We don't have time. We don't have time for insults and negativity here at Mai Titi's Diary. So please comment with caution because I'm going to block you left, right, and center. Yeah. Comment with caution. Sorry, people are greeting you. Hi, guys. Say hi to your fans. Hi, you. I know. I didn't know you guys would notice me. Fari is in the area. I wish you could still playing that song. Let me play it today. Make way, everybody. I'll start talking when you're on 300. Like I told you, this issue is a serious issue. It's not just something we can just talk to a few people, especially women. Women, you need to listen to this. You need to listen to this. Ladies, where you at? Let me know if you are here. Ongoti present. Tukumaka register. Ongoti present. Naiga. Paneka juicy karipano kada kuti tika buye. Yeah. Munofara ere. Daira present kana uri pano uchindinzwa loud and clear. Right. Mashika ka number yandiri kuda. And it's Munofara ere, guys. Are you guys good? Can you hear me properly? Today on Mai Titi's Diaries, we have a special guest. Her name is Fari Wacho. Fari Aneta pa social media. Tati Fari Wacho varisa social media. To those who are following story of Fari, we have can you go the newspaper. Fari is all over the news and whatnot. And the Tatomuverenga manje mu H Metro and the actress sues hubby for $11,000. 11,000. Fari is suing her ex-husband, right? Is it your husband or your ex-husband? Your ex-husband. Saka tudonguti Fari kuneva siri kuziva nyaya yanetsa. Let me remove this on this selfie stick. I'm sure it's disturbing us. Fari, I've seen that she's a very emotional somebody, but please try not to be emotional so that we really talk about this issue. And you know, every time when we go on social media, we are there to assist and look for help as human beings. Anybody with a human heart would feel for you. Yeah. Saka usawanike uchibatikana oro kubatikana nemacomments evanhu oro kubatikana nezvitaura nevanhu. You are there to share your issue. Yanetsa on social media. Yanetsa. Why are you suing your husband for 11K? 11,000 is a lot of money. Just explain to people why you're getting all this bashing. You are getting all these insults, especially women, of which as women we're supposed to help each other. So I want you to explain to these guys.
I'm sorry, you brought a lot of emotions, Mai Titi, but my story is this. It's still in court, so I'm not gonna say much details about the court. But I got divorced in 2011 under circumstances that I'm not going to really go deep into. But my in-laws were also involved when I also got divorced. But this is not really important. I was granted maintenance in 2012, and each child had to get $25, Mai Titi, and you know how much $25 buys. But to me, I just said, well, but I then had to ask for my money to be reviewed up to a certain figure. It's about $100 for my 2 kids. But anyway, the bottom line is, Mai Titi, I reacted to a post that I saw on Facebook of someone that was seeking help towards my story. So I came up in the open and I said, Heidi, you're talking about me here. You're talking about
the person posted about you on Facebook.
Yeah, about the story.
About the story.
Yeah, saying that they're looking for assistance, those who can help and stuff. So I knew very well. A friend of mine actually told me that your story is here, and this is what I did. I joined the group. I wanted to know what was going on, and I'm still in the group. And the story was touching on me. Then I said, I'm not going to come out as a Heidi. And I came out in the open. I said, Heidi, you're talking about me, and this is me, and you don't know what I've been through. But at the end of what I said, I snapped at the Heidi. I think I was a little upset. But now...
Did you know the Heidi?
No, I have no idea. But I just know it's one of my in-laws' relatives. So what happened is when I reacted, and then I gave my Facebook friends on that group feedback.
Let's try to put this thing. Sorry, guys. You really need to listen to the story. It's very touching. Just to be patient. Just to be patient. Again, my phone. Sorry. Try and pick it up, Fari. Where is it? I think it's down there. Please don't cry. Guys, you really need to listen to this story. This story is just so touching. Or it's a power bank. No, it's a power bank. So let's try to look for. We really need people to listen to this and understand it. Sorry, guys, we are looking for a proper name. The phone and then the cherry and the it's
here. I'm here.
Oh, you have it. We are really looking. Yeah, we need to really talk about this file. Because this is terrible, I tell you. Okay. Yes, I think this is better. Volume but she will continue. Fari, can you hold the phone? Are you able?
Okay, yeah, sure.
So explain.
So instead of the Heidi sympathizing with me, we know what we've been through, Murora. Heidi went on the platform and called me names. We took you to school, hure, this and that, you got this man and that man, this and that. Guys, this is not a battle that I'm fighting for myself. I'm fighting for my kids. And I thought Heidi, as an in-law, would come on board and say, Fari, we know what you've been through. We know how it is to raise a child without a father. Heidi chooses to say, this and that. I've been to war, Mai Titi. I've been to war. So what she thought would really destroy me did not really destroy me, because I've been to war. I know what I've been through as a single mom. I know how it is to be a vendor, because at some point I had to be a vendor. I know how it is to be a cross-border, to get into the bus, to sleep in the bus and become a vendor just because for the sake of your kids. Come to think of it, guys, for the past 6 years, you've just been struggling on your own. And then another woman out there thinks that the pain that you've gone through is not enough. Hey?
Oh, don't cry. Don't cry, Fari. Usacheme. You know what?
I don't care what they decide to call me or whatsoever, but I'm going to stand for what is right. I'm going to stand for my kids. I'm not doing this for myself. 11,000 is not going to make me rich. I'm rich in my brains. I'm doing this so that my kids have a relationship with their dad. And whatever attack I'm going to get, I'm going to stand. I'm not going to be intimidated. Whoever wrote that on the group, just make sure that I'm not moved, and I'm not going to stop to stand for other women. It's sad, Mai Titi.
Yeah, it's very sad.
There are other women out there who came to my inbox telling me, they're scared of reporting someone. And anyway, why should a man be dragged for maintenance? Why should a man be dragged to court to look after his own kids?
Yeah.
Real men just look after their kids.
Without being
I know of men who've just left their houses with the women and the children so that the women. Now, Mai Titi, there are two circumstances that I always remember in my life, and they make me really break down. At some point when my older child was at school, we were staying in an incomplete house where we were renting. There was no electricity. It was just a house that was really upside down, but I had no choice. Things at some point got really difficult. She would ask the driver, "Can you drop me at the house next door?"
Don't cry, sweetie. Okay, guys, to those Vasirikubanyaya, this lady, Anonzi Fari, she was married and has got 2 children with the ex-husband. And then she went to claim for maintenance. And then from 2012, the husband was not paying anything.
And nowhere to be found. The same relatives would not cooperate with me.
Then, okay, the husband akabad disappear. Munongozivo zvinoita ana baba vedu ava kana vaita zvavaita. So later on, Fari akazowana kunowanika murume uyu, then ndobva amusungisa murume uyu for 11,000. 11,000 ndeyekubva ye2012.
Money overnight.
It's not money overnight. 11,000 yakabva 2012. Murume asingachengete vana. Don't cry, sweetie. Be strong. Saka azobatwa, muri kunzwa here? They say hama dzemurume dzakatanga kuposta, hanzi vakaposta some group hanzi rinonzi ladies retreat, handitika ndo kwakatangira yaFari. That's why you see she's very emotional. Zikanzi muroora uyu yanga riri hure, saka akarambwa nemurume. But izvozvo zviri kupinda papi pakuchengeta vana vako? You understand me, guys? Saka ndo nyaya iri kuchemera Fari kuti no, this is so unfair. She is a single mother. We have struggled a lot kuti achengete vana. Ikonoti mwana wake mumwe atokura yarota kusvika paform 6 pasina kana mari kubviswa nababa. Yet now she's getting threats kuti iyoyi pambi iyoyi. And you know this thing of bashing each other on social media, this is the thing that is making vanhu kuti vakomite kana suicide. Muri kunzwa? Vanhu vari kuzviuraya. This lady is hopeless. Even if you look at her, she's such a beautiful lady. She's such a beautiful lady. But she's in pain. She's being cyberbullied kuma groups, achitukirirwa nana tete vemurume, achiitwa rafu, achinziwa ngori hure wakahura. Even phone calls.
I have had phone calls.
Yes.
But someone who stands before God and does not look back at his kids. Why are you doing that? In a way, they're saying, Kuti, can you leave this case? Leave it. But I'm not going to leave it. They have to have a relationship with their father at the end of the day. So I'm just trying to fight.
So, is this guy married, Fari? What we want to know is this guy married? Can I kusangoda responsibility? He's married.
And the wife said that if you have any problems, stop calling my husband. Make sure you bring the kids at home.
Of which you were the first wife.
Yeah, was the first wife
before that woman.
Yeah.
Now she's controlling you over the father of your children.
They say that I should give them the children instead of them giving me any money. I'd rather give them the children and they take care of the children.
Because you can't take care of them as the mother.
But I can't do that. I'm still alive. Mai Titi, I've had to do a lot of crazy stuff. I've had to sleep in the bush. I've had to be a vendor. At some point in time, don't look at a beautiful woman. Look where I am coming from. It's not about the beauty anymore. It's about the war that I've been through. And then someone says, why are you doing this? I'm doing it for my kids.
Yeah.
I'm doing it for my kids.
Yeah. Saka guys, issue is this business of people want to blow the trumpet through social media. Right? Kana haidiu akanyora achiti murora wedu ranga riri hure ari tete oro hama chaiyo ine musoro. Why not kuenda kumurora monotaurirana? Why should you put it on a group? So do you think a group can solve problems? Do you think a group can solve problems? There are people who are Pama groups who are so bitter. They will take advantage of anything and anything. They can just insult you for no reason. This lady here, she is very pained, guys. Ndarwadziwa. Kubva pauya kwandira chite Mai Titi, you know what? Inini, if I'm to be killed or to die today, to commit suicide, I'm so under pressure, I don't know who to approach. Because this is not the time, Anita Mauna, to kill yourself because that. Inini Fari, people talk about me every day of my life. People bash me over some situation. If you look at me, Fari, I just want to make you strong. You are even lucky. You know what? You know what? Inini ndakanzwaro nemurume kusvika pakuzadzwa chirwere, but still people bashed me over that. Vakati tinoziva sei. It's not easy. But I'm here. I'm still taking care of my children. Your husband is supposed to take care of.
It's not
his responsibility.
It's not the prostitutes that we see on the streets. Yeah. And you are turned into one in your own home, trying to put food on the table for the kids. And that's not life. That's not life. You are made to do dozens of jobs. I'm not saying I don't want to work, but Mai Titi, you know, you're like, why me? Why me? Everything me. Even a loaf of bread. I'm just praying for just a loaf of bread. Don't go to me, oh, just a loaf of bread. I'll clap hands, I'll worship, I'll be happy, I'll be thankful. But I don't get that loaf of bread. So it can't be me. At the end of the day, they have a dad, kids have a dad, kids will look for their dad. But we have to help each other. And we don't have to come and intimidate other women who are already in pain just because you have.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, sweetie. Don't cry. You know what? You know, this is the time where you need to be bold, to be brave. People are saying you went to court for that. Akaenda ku court and your husband, what happened to court, Fari?
It's only the story. My Titi didn't turn up.
He did not turn up. The husband did not turn up. The husband is nowhere to be found. If you know where Fari's husband is, please tell him to come and just to pay his maintenance. No, seriously, he has to do that because this is painful. You know, kuchengeta vana guys.
You know
it's not easy.
This attack just opened a lot of wounds that were closing in my life. It's about 11,000. My teaching standard. I recently registered a company. I'm doing a small takeaway. It's about the kids. It's about the kids.
Children,
yeah. And it's about what we women we have to put up with every day of our lives. We put up with a lot of shit to look after their kids. Yes, we are the ones who gave back to them, but they were fathered. Weren't they? They were fathered.
And you know what? I just want to speak the other wife, don't control the first wife. Kutanzi, when you want something, you have to call me. You were not there when these guys were involved, and when they had 2 children, it's not a joke. And then you just come, uchifonera munhu, uchimtuka. Act is mature. Meet up and talk about it peacefully. Why you want to blow the trumpet? The same way that man left this lady, it's the same way that he will leave you.
Maybe I was wrong, guys. I just need to know whether I did the wrong thing. Can someone just tell me, Fari, you did wrong by reporting someone? Maybe I was wrong. I don't know.
No, you didn't do. You were right because murume wacho angasiri kuoneka. So going to the police was the only way. Kumubata because chero dai waizomuona achifamba murodi
phone calls. I still get phone calls. Just because they want me to drop this whole issue.
I'm sorry, Fari. No, I know. What can you tell me, Fari? I know.
I was turned into a man that I was not. I'm a woman and I want to be a woman. But I had to turn into a man. I had to sit down with men and ask guys, what is happening in our country? Yet I'm a woman. 12 midnight. Even up to today, I get home at 2. I get home at 3 a.m. just because I have to be a woman. I have to be a man. But you get to a point when you say enough of it.
But now that's the only thing that's left to being a man. Being a man. Yes, she has nails and everything because she's working hard for herself and her children. But she's only crying, Kuti. You know what? Murume ngachingo player wachi part, guys. You know. As ladies, let's stand for each other. This thing here, Kuti. Do you know what I had to ask her to come because I had a serious feeling where this is going. This lady is going to commit suicide. It's not easy. But the pressure is too much. If you see a whole woman like this crying, it's not easy. It's not easy. Fari is a beautiful woman. She can get any man. But the biological father should take part in taking care of the children. Diani anoda kuchengeta vana vemumwe munhu. Iyo baba vacho varipo alive and kicking. And he keeps on having more kids and more kids. Hakuna skana. Even varume vatinowana kuza uku havanei nevana vedu vavakatoona tinawo. That's why you see me, I prefer kugara ndiri single. I dated that my white guy and he wanted to wed with me. Akanditi, you know what? For now we'll leave the kids for 2 or 3 years. I had to drop it. I can never leave my children for anything. Then we could I can never do that. Never. Never. Because they are my children. I feel the pain. You understand what I'm saying? That's what she's going through. Apana panga mbode 11,000. Do you know she's working hard? She even bought a car for herself, which means she's working hard. But my bills ambo faka kwana. Shikoro jevana. Chi jese jojo. It doesn't even account amount to 11,000. You understand what I'm saying? Vana they are very expensive. From clothes, from chi. You know, it at 10 years, usingabhadhara maintenance. Kana kungoziva kuti vana vako vari sei. Kana ngotengawo zvinhu zvakachipa uchivigira vana. And then some women are here saying, hey, you should move on. Do you think moving on is like drinking mazoe, diluting mazoe with Nengirikin? Don't be there to just pull each other down as women. Let's be there to encourage, to strengthen each other, to say, my sister, it is well. Work for yourself. And Akasawana, that upliftment, Fari, she would do the undoable.
I don't rest, Mai Titi. I don't rest. I work hard day and night.
You understand?
Tirogeta $50, Mai Titi, ndo badara kombi driver. Tirogeta $10, Mai Titi, ndo tenga 2 loaves, wana vodka chingwa. Ikaita $5, ndo tengera omwana ga drink.
Sakapa, nyaya kuneza pari ndeuti wakareportere maintenance. Ndo yawakubhashirwa pa social media. Yekuti iwe wanga usiri kufanira kuenda ku maintenance. Wanga uri kufanira kungosiya munhu. You know these ladies asanda kutaura ngezvinonzi vane mari stereki. These ladies are liars. Unomunhu uchitanzi move on with your life. Move on with your life. Iye kana rimba make anenge achichema pari. No one is strong. No one, never.
I never thought I'd cry outdoors. I cry indoors. I close myself. I cry. But when I walk out, people see a beautiful woman. People see a beautiful woman. See a woman who has it all. I don't have it all. I don't have to work hard to have it all. I don't.
vakadzi mimi mwoyo yenyu vamwe vachonaka, not all of you my dear sisters, but vamwe venyu you need God, because you can't be here bashing a fellow woman ari kurwadziwa kudai so. Apa munonyembera kuti unge zvinonzi mune power stereki kuti anzi we are strong and whatever. We are all humans, we have a heart. And I felt for this woman because I also passed through this. You understand? So you can't say kuti anzi she has to move on. Do you think varume vanotengeswa pamarket yekuti munhu anofanira kungoenda unoti ndaakutora mumwe murume moving on uchingoita vana vakasiyana? Why? Even this man, if he doesn't want Fari anymore, he should take good care of his children. It's about the kids. Even Fari is taking care of herself. Even the children, they are going to A schools as I'm talking. But the fact that she reported should not be an issue. She reported about this man, akasungwa. So this relative should not intervene because apana ari kubatsira. Ante murukona. And the Fari is crying nekutukwa because ari kuti ini ndatadza kuripota maintenance. Saka arifana kunorova murume osungwa ariye. Ari kuita zvinhu zviri legal. This is the only legal way you can deal with a man who doesn't want to take care of the children. You go for maintenance. Because if you do a war, they will get you arrested. So you're on the right track, Fari. And then you need a lawyer. You need a lawyer to stand for you as a woman. Ask kuita marine 11,000 akatenga motikari recently, meaning she can afford. But zvinongorwadza, even when she's taking care of them. Varume ngavachengete vana. Iwe ukaona murume anodhregwa kumaintenance unoti brain dzacho dzakadhakwa. Ndova mwana baba Titi unodhregwa for maintenance hauzivi kuchengeta mwana. You can never be dragged for maintenance if you're a real father. Don't act like you were just a sperm donor. Then if you were a sperm donor, take care of your sperm. Not kuda kuchengeterwa nomwarume. Who does that? Of which when you get in a relationship and that man anogona kukurepera vana Fari. You understand what I'm saying? Because that's not his blood. And he's not forced to take care of kids which are not his. So that man, the least he can do for this woman is to take care. And it's Majona.
A relationship, just a relationship. No, Mai Titi. We are living in an economy that is hard. I'm saying the little that we get, let's just help each other. It's not about the money that I want, Mai Titi. It's about the attack that you get when already your life has just been under attack. You've gone to war, you've been to war. It's not all about soldiers. We women, we are fighting wars indoors. We're fighting. They don't know what we've been through. They can see us makeup, we are hiding a lot. We are hiding a lot of poverty. We are hiding a lot of souls. And I'm just saying, good for the women out there. Don't shut yourself. Don't shut yourself out.
Sorry, guys. People keep calling and disturbing our life. Even if Munaka is a Brazilian, I don't know how to Brazilian yake. Even if Munaka is a Brazilian, it hides a lot.
It's hiding my
See,
poverty.
this is one of my not so Brazilian. But don't think all is well. I see Mosha Yekuta Geza Kachena. She cannot walk dirty or walk with mud all over because she's suffering. You hide. You don't have to go around telling everybody what you're going through. And then they move on. She's trying to move on. Then why are you now insulting her because of a whip? Women, it's only us women who kill each other. It's us women who pull each other down. It's us women who cause problems. It's us women who wants to compare and whatever. We all know a lot of you guys here, a lot of women here, munotambudzika. That's the truth. You're all suffering, but you want to come and show off on my Facebook. But you want to come here with shout them when yes, she should move on. She should go on. Yo guys, you are bitter, a lot of you. But you don't want to stand out and say what you're going through. Some of them are HIV positive, just like myself. But you want to keep it a secret and act like your life is paradise when you are not you are living in mud. You hide so many secrets. You hide a lot. But you want to come here and show off and instead of just saying hugs, if you don't want to come and get out of here. munotamba mwacho namune muchitaura muri muchitangwena mu1 room. Huh? Unenge uchiri 1 room kachinyeda she has to move on. Iwe uri kuita move on here uri 1 room ikako kasina kana kona. Why do we do that? That is serious witchcraft. Even if this lady, I had to give her my platform to come and rant. If you are going to rant, come and cry. Come and take off your clothes. Show them that you are in pain. No, that is not fair. How can a fellow woman come with a serious, long comment? A lot of them live a fake life here on Facebook and social media. A lot of women here live a... You think you can organize some makeup, you think you have it all. Oh, now you are rich. We are all putting these wigs in Mai Titi. Atinaka say, atinaka marry. Murunzwa. Tinotambura isumziba tichemedzwa nezvivarume izvi zvekuti zvinongotimitisa. At the end of the day azvidi kubhadhara maintenance. And then you say, hey, take munhu ngakuchengete. Kovana. You think you go around donating sperms or kuchengeterwa nevamwe varume? Get away. Get away. Get away. What kind of a man? Apa kuzoda uramba uchikwanura stonyen ikoko unenge une vamwe vana uko une vamwe vana komtoko une vana South Africa une vana. You can't even do your first family. You can't pay for maintenance. You want to talk rubbish here. Another lady, another fellow woman is crying since morning. From yesterday, you want to come here to talk rubbish. Because your life is very miserable. I'll say it here on this platform, and there's nothing you can do about it. If it pisses you off, meet me. I'm equal to the task. Because you are who? People with real money don't go around people with real money don't go around for no reason. People with a life and a future, they don't have time for that. You want to come and bash a woman? If you are strong enough, I want you to come here where I am. I am right here by Rainbow Towers where I'm booked. Come there and talk rubbish and see if I don't beat the living daylights out of you. No! Who does that? You are talking about a Brazilian. Do you have to kutaura repana? Do you have to Brazilian repana? You guys, you're so full of shit, some of you. You act like witches all over the place. You think witchcraft is flying. Witchcraft is what you do when a woman is in pain. You also celebrate someone else's pain. What kind of a woman are you? That idiot should take care of those kids. Whether he likes it or not, he should do fund for those. Even if Fari you buy a Mercedes Benz, that father of those kids would pay. Go, keep going until you win. And they shouldn't even have released him at the first place. Because right now he's running away. She's bitter, she still loves her husband. Who doesn't feel? That is not everybody's prior. Do you think it's special to have 5 children, different surnames? All in the name of, hey, we move on. You move on, could then go get away, was a Japanese. What about Shamsira Nachi? I'm not Shamsira Nacho. And I always say it could no, I'm very emotional. Because what we go through, because nation in a I'm not okay. Because that's what you're name and bra. Shonzi, you are bitter. Bitter about what? Bitter about what? Munhu akazvara vana ngaachengete. Full stop. Full stop. Full stop. What is English about that? What does it have to do with education? You thinking at now we went to school, and the school does not say men shouldn't take care of their children, whether they move on to their small houses or whatever. They should remain responsible. Responsibilities is needed. Full stop. If you've got balls, stereki mi vakadzi manotukirira vanhu. Ndakudzai way I'm booked. Come to Rainbow Towers. We do it panyama chayo. I will beat the daylights out of you. My keyboard warriors. Tukuda ubatsira mwe mukadzi, you are here bashing it. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Every time we go up alive, you see people coming in. Vachara snabas. Musuni netero kuti mwana akavharwa. Mwana akataurega kuti ndavharwa naJapreza panapa. Mukandituka, maindituka ndinda ndavtaura. You protect evil. You protect evil. Nothing is true now. Everything is fake. Fake people, fake people, fake people who pretend to be humble, fake people who pretend to be good, fake people who fakeness all over the place. Because munhu unoedza kutaura kana zvichemo zvake. Ikonizvo mwana wachirema akawaitira zvichemo zvake. Mukanditukirira panapa pamagroups. Manje inini zvamunoita zvokuda kunitukira pamagroups. Inini ukandikakubata pafair uchiita basa rekundishaudha pagroup. Ndokukwapaidza chaipo chaipo. And hakuna kwaunoripota because me I stand for myself. That's so crazy. You're welcome, Fari. And they keep going. Keep going. Don't stop for your job. Nyato speaker. Brazilian Fari. Nyato penda muromo Fari. No.
Let me forget about this whole thing. Thing and all this stuff. I just thought I should forget about it.
Fari, kana waneta kuenda kumakoti ndiripo. Come and connect me. Toenda. You should get that money. You should take care of those children. Kwam, feel your full stop. If it's going to kill you because the Askuda or the wife is busy calling you, that wifey, you know what? That wifey, if you are looking at me right now, you, the small house that took over from Fari's husband, listen to me. Me, you and you wakatotorera munhu murume wake. Saka take a chill pill muna chengete vana vake. You understand what I'm saying? Usabhabhauke kuita kunge zvinonzi uri inonzi chiriyaya shiriyaya ine besu inovhura besu nepa wrong time. Musabhabhauke mainini. Hamuna kuuya pekutanga makasvika munhu ane vana vake. Murunzwa? Makauya mainini munhu ane vana vake. Sei munhu achengete vana vake. Whether you are the small matrimonial present izvezvi. No kuti munhu akauya iwe wakauya pane vana. So allow your husband to take care of his first family. And kana Fari Wacho mfana kutochengetwa. Stonyeni yakarohwa kana for 10 years. You were not there. Ndabhadharo mari yake. Sada kukwatisa munhu uchita ma phone calls tusina basa rese. What anogara angari abroad.
I have no idea. Mai Titi.
Uchizvita munhu weabroad.
If I can't take care of the kids, I should bring them to her.
Bring the kids to you. Why should another woman bring kids to you? Do you think you are better off if you could snatch the husband? Do you think you would love the children? Yeah? Do you think you would love the children? You can walk up the salmon pamurumu wake.
I respect her marriage. I don't care, but she should respect my children.
Nyebera uzingaira remekedza vana vemunhu. Remekedza baba. Otherwise, inini I'll give you 24 hours. Me, myself, Mai Titi. Zvokusura muchichikidzira munhu. And I'll put your picture everywhere. And I'll put your husband. I'll shame you. You're very stupid. What is that? Uyakandishona umtikani uyihamba yababa Titi wepfuthaki weyo. Ndotokubloka izvozvo unganze zve-get away kudini. Fuck off. Ndosaka majaira kusachengeta vana. Uri kuuya papeji pangu kuti uite sei iwe mtikani iwe. Uri kuuya papeji pangu kuti uite sei. Pfuthaki wako. Kufana muningini asingabhadharire vana maintenance. Rubbish. Unoya uzokomenda papeji pangu iwe. Magara mutori nenyaya yangu panapa uya papeji pangu. Bombo clad. What is that? Une lawyer here, she's asking Fari.
I'm represented in the courts. I don't have one.
She does not have one lawyer, guys. She does not have a lawyer. She's just being represented in a court. Any lawyer that can stand for me. Take you and Abtuka. Also, Dean. This is Rainbow Towers. If you feel you've got balls to face me, come there. I'm staying there for the next 2 days. If you feel you've got balls, come. Ndokudzidzisa kuti suicide tinodila mu reality. Akukwatisa vanhu ne social media ngodai munhu ngochingotaipa pasina nebasa rese. tikuda lawyer remuno isusu hatisi kuita zvana osi vamuri kuti osi pindirai tikuda lawyer munomu osi apindire kupiko iye ari kuuk kwaanopindira anopindira chii nyaya iyi iri kuda kutoitwa manje manje anopindira chii osi wamuri kupinza kuda kukwanisawo vanhu pazvinhu zvavasingakwani tikuda lawyer afternoon how are you tikuda lawyer rinotimirira inomirirawo murandakadzi apiwo mari yake navo baba varutiza vanhu vamuri kutega tega ikoko vari kure kure kwavanouya vachitimirira kuti tikuda nyaya iri emergency inoi mwana uyu ari pataiti ndosaka anditsvaga ndikamudeidza kuti auye. There should be a law. If there is any lawyer or magistrate looking at me right now, please, it's not fair. Even when we are in court there, and then you say someone is supposed to pay $10. $10 imbatsira chi. Apa murume rinenge rauya nebhenzi rakachena rakapfeka bhutsu yebrown yakareba kunge muramba wenhingirikini nesuit road hands I can't afford nebheuti re20 nhingirikini rema-US. Your worship, your lordship, I cannot afford. I afford $30. Unopenge $30 chikoro che$30 chiri kupi? Yeah? Chinowanika kupi? And then toona majesty vachidhinda kuti okay you can pay $30. Saka munhu angatadze kuhura zvamunozoti munhu anohura. Munhu anotozotanga kuhura nenyaya yekuti under pressure. What is that?
It's sad, but at the end of the day, you know, there are women out there who can't speak out, Mai Titi.
Hatinei naye isusu imi ibva apa. OC can pay for chichi makuda kutoita show off na OC but it's zvema show off pana. Tukuita zvelo. Tukuita zvelo. She can pay unomuzira budget yake OC. Fari, any last words out taura never know.
Hi guys.
What do you want to
I just want to encourage women out there. Don't be intimidated by whosoever. You have to stand for your kids. I'm not standing for myself here. I'm standing for my kids. And whoever has called me, whoever has said a lot of things to me, I'm not going to pull back. I'm not sitting back. But I'm just going to stand. I'm just going to continue fighting. And that's it. Because it's so hard. It's so hard being a single mom. I feel for the women who stand in the streets. I feel for the vendors. I feel for anyone who's called a woman, whether she's married, she's in the house. I feel for them, and I really wish people could help each other, come together. $10, that makes a very big difference. It really makes a big, big difference. It's not like I want $1 million. No. I just want that dollar. That dollar will make a difference in my kids' life because they also want their relationship with their father. So,
thank you so much, Fari. Thank you, everybody who's supporting Fari. And thank you so much. Tipeiwo zvedu lawyer rinokwanisa kumirira rimumirire mwana uyu atambura ende isusu zvotibatawo titongoriwo munhingirikeni musame board. Saka thank you so much for being here and listening to Fari's story. And let's hope she will be settled.
I'm also a fan of Mai Titi. I always talk to her. I chat with her.
Yeah.
So, and I know how emotionally attached she is to women. That's why I also wanted a shoulder to lean on.
And I'm here for you, Fari. Anytime chero ukati tiri kuenda kumurume wako ndoda especially kuenda kumba kwakaya sandisiye ndongoma yandogwarira iwe ungasorofonerwa namaini kana ndimiwo guys tomorrow azikufonera maiguru.
She's a wife, Mai Titi. She's no longer a small house. She's a wife. She's married, but she should know Kutskunevana. That's all I need. That's all I'm asking.
I think you are too soft for yourself. You are big, but you are soft. Yeah, you can see that. Ini kufone kana na inini Mai Titi. Inini Mai Titi.
Sometimes Mai Titi. I do.
You are naturally you will be just something. Inini Ajite Fari. Inini all that it got me to where I am today. I've learned to be strong, and I've learned to face my woes the way they are, and I've learned to force myself if singaitike nyore.
Have you healed from the fact that
you know what? You
Have
can
never
get healed, but you will be bold, so that you succumb to it. Zvinotombodirwadzawo chero inini, but
yeah, you're very strong.
I try to be strong, and inini ndakatoitwa muninja, ndosaka uchiona kuti when people bash me ndinotoseka kuti inini handiwestero time nemunhu asi takambondiona kuti ndiri black here or blue, ndinotoda pari pafeya chaipo Fari. Saka iwewo nyaya yako ifesa munhu pafeya. Don't be crying like a cry baby. You are a strong woman, ende wakanaka wakabatana uri chiheavy. Urunzwa? Chiheavy chekuti unogona kutozowanikwa kana minister of something. Urunzwa? Chiheavy guys. Minister of something vangatadze kuwana Fari here. Eh? You find your own minister of something. Chiheavy. Kana pane masingle men apa anochengeta vana kwete zvemara ritendera naye. Ichi muri kuchiona?
Come on.
Eh? Chakabatana Fari chimbosimba chimbosimba. Fari stand up. Fari will you stand up? Mirai makadaro. Fari stand there. Icho mungashora. Icho. Akomandaka. Sitasa kuno Fari. Icho. Ona ipusi. Chemedzwa nemanhengi madako ezi zvawo. I want you to laugh, Fari.
Mai Titi, please. We don't have to go this.
You will go. I just want you to laugh, Fari. I just want you to smile.
Yeah, that's the impression that people get when they see you looking good and all this stuff. They don't know the wars that you've been through and stuff.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Inini ndokubloka itai macomments enyu ekupenga iwayo. Ndikutokubloka izvo ndiri kukuona izvangu. Ndiani mwari shauda. That would be your last comment. Pangu panoti maitirira inini. Zvenyu zvokupenga zvongoya pamapeji vanhu muchishauda. Isaika macomments acho muchindituka. Murikunditukire chi? Mabombo class evanhu. Ndosaka mwanhu asingachengete vana kuswera vari pamapeji evanhu. Nemamwewo mahuru anenge achiswera pamapeji evanhu kushaya zvekuita. What is that? Ungoya uchituka munhu ndotamba newe here unouya uchindishauda unondiziya. Tuka ikatone ndozvandamira zvafari zvatopera ndakutokubloka ndakutopinda basa rekukubloka. You think I don't have fingers? I have 11 fingers. 10 maoko angu and 1 extra. Sure to you good now, Fari?
Yeah.
Are you smiling?
Is my face bright?
Yeah. Enough of crying, once of Fari. Enough. Yeah. Enough. You have cried enough. Now it's time for you to just stand.
Sure, true.
It's enough.
Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be okay.
You'll be fine. It's going to be so that you get your money. Zvako zvokuswera uchitakandwa paFacebook uchibheshwa. Iwe, siyana nevanhu vese vanota kubhesha vanhu. Vanhu vese vanobhesha vanhu paFacebook. Havana mari, havana tse, vane nhamo. Life yavo ukazoitedza unoti zvandiri nani. You are way better than some of these evil people who share you on social media. Kukutuka. Urunzwa?
Yeah.
Anto, what's your contact, Fari? Someone wants to help you with a lawyer. What's a marvelous? I know it. She's a... Okay, marvelous. Hanzi unobata inini. Mine is 0773 63381. That's mine. Saka Hanzi unondibata pangu ndozokupa contact. Anditika ada kuti keep private because vanhu vangazotange kumunhangirira. Kumunetsa vakumu-inbox vachingu vamwe vanenge vachitaura zvisina kana basa. Vamwe vaneshavika nguva kuinbox yevanhu vasina kutombokokwa. Exactly. Imagine. Saka what do you Fari? Unotengesei Fari tozokutengera hedu. People at the end of the day they want to help.
I've got a small takeaway that I opened in Zimbra Park, and I'm also into branding. I do sign writing as well.
Oh wow!
Yeah, and
sign
I'm also
writing.
A teacher by profession.
Oh wow!
I do extra lessons, and I'm working on a talk show.
Oh wow!
That if all goes well, will be on TV.
Oh wow!
But TV is very expensive.
So don't cry. You know you have got so many achievements. So many goals.
My
Saka
life
unochemela
inspired me
Fari.
to do the talk show, but TV is expensive. It needs a lot of stuff, so I'm working on a talk show. And I've just been trying to copy Mai Titi, doing some clips on Facebook, making noise about the topics that I'll be discussing.
My scripts in a Fari. I actually want you in my studio. We do things together. Forget about that nincompoop. Your husband is a nincompoop. You Fari's husband, if you're looking at me, it's me, Mai Titi.
It's not my husband.
Telling you, you are a nincompoop. Bomboclat. Irresponsible.
No, it's
Fool.
okay. Oh
I said it. If you want to sue me, come. I'm waiting for you. For myself. Unochemedza mukadzi akabatana kunge ningirikini.
It's enough of that.
Mukadzi akabatana kunge chibhakera cheningirikini chiya chisingaparari chero chisingadiwe but chinongoramba chakabatana. Graham ari kuti hanzi inbox. Also, I'll give you all the details so that you can talk to people you never know who's there for you.
Now I'm okay, guys. I work so hard. I work like I sometimes forget that I'm a woman. So at some point I said I don't want to see a man, but I realized I was created to be a woman, and now I really want a man one day.
Don't worry, I'll hook you up, Fari. I want to give you a minister of something.
No, I don't want those ministers.
No, I know he's my minister.
I just want a husband from God.
No, I'll give you. That one I'll give you is coming from God. Me, I would do you a nice hookup with a minister of something.
Yeah, I know. Anyway,
guys, I
just want a man who will take care of me. I'm trying to take care of my kids.
Please say, take care of me and my kids.
Oh,
be there for me and my kids.
Definitely.
Don't leave that part. And your kids.
Extra lessons, I do them in Zimbra Park. But get in touch with Mai Titi. She'll give you my details.
I'll give you her details, guys.
I just do a lot of crazy stuff. At the end of the day, some guy once asked me, how do you... I'm also into media. I'm also into journalism. How did you end up doing this? The only reply I always give people, poverty has taught me to work hard.
Amen.
Poverty and irresponsible men has taught me to go an extra mile.
Amen.
So it's really not easy. If you see people like Mai Titi doing crazy things, you know, it's for the sake of the kids.
Exactly.
It's not for their sake.
Exactly.
So I respect them. I really respect them.
So before we close up, who wants a little dance from Mai Titi for Baba Titi?
Play the emotional song.
No, I'm playing something nice. Something fantastic.
Kilati, I love Kilati.
Yeah. Do you have it?
Oh my God.
Do you have Kilati?
In the car.
Manje, we are far.
I love
Meta the song ya Chinomborwa Madani. Yes. So song ya I see you. Don't worry. We are looking for a song. I want to dance for... I want to dance for Fari.
Oh.
You are welcome. Special dance. Don't cry. I want to dance for Fari. Please wait. And ndikuishaya nai guys. Ndikushaya song. Your phone haina ningi. Fari. Your phone doesn't have something danceable. I want to dance for Fari.
I think I've got I'm actually seeing you dance. I never thought one day you would dance.
I will dance for you today, Fari. I want to cheer you up. Hey, wait. Hey, guys. Name it. Why wanna? You know, like it's
trying to get.
Even here, Rumba.
I can't get any song from this.
When I am going to
but once this one inspired my show. My show is called Free Spirits.
So, We are going. Oh, thank you.
Say the one Magate.
Magate aripo.
I don't have
Right,
it.
hold it nicely.
Okay. Where are you, my Titi?
I want my good guy. Put that thing on the speaker. Put your phone.
Okay. Oh my God.
For Fari. This is for you, Fari.
Oh, thanks. Oh my Titi. Oh my Titi, I really wanted to laugh. Oh my God.
Don't worry.
All right. I love the song.
For you, Kelly.
Oh, yes, you're looking smart.
Thank
You
you.
are. Oh my God, my ticket brought me here. I've never been here. Guys. It's so beautiful. So beautiful, the place. Oh my God. I've been on this album. I wish I could dance with you. You make me laugh. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my gosh. Oh,
More life to you, buddy.
oh, thank you. I need to look after my kids.
I'm tired.
Oh no.
I love you, buddy.
Oh, thanks.
I love you so much.
Oh God. So,
My way, guys, I'm tired. Isotamba yarira mana. Hatina kana pressure iri pa 0 points. Guys, I love you. Mazenzwa. Musanyeberwe, I love you.
She does.
Too much.
She really does. You proved me so wrong, my sis. I thought you only had a bunch of people that you love.
No, I tolerate
I'm
everybody.
just a stranger to her, but you know,
You are now my friend, so come to me. I love you. I love you, and I'll do anything to make sure you
just
got
fell
me.
in love with
You
me.
get what you want, Fari. And it is Saka, guys, and the Tambai Magate, Magate. Fari is dancing, guys. Please come here. Fari, we have Fari. Fari Tamba. It doesn't matter, but just to celebrate with it. It is done. It's over, baby. Hey, my love, no lies, kuna Fari. Hey, amene kwa. Magate again. She's such a beautiful soul, guys. And then this is what Fari peka Brazilian. Kana puruvu mama.
I'm getting strong because I'm a very strong sister next to me. Oh my God. I'm trying.
Guys, so we're done. Love you so much. And this is isusu tinobatana pa next round maiziya. Ndokudai amana.
Don't do this for me alone. Do it for
Fari.
another woman out there.
Amen.
Don't do this.
Saka isusu rega timboita out na Fari andakudza kuti tiri pa Rainbow Towers. Ndangofunga zvibuka motera unoziva kana ukaita
Tomorrow is a holiday, so we can
it's a holiday,
all night.
so we need to have fun. Fari is going to sleep over this hotel, and we are going to have so much fun.
Oh my God.
And those one
I didn't even know that you could come here and spoil yourself.
Yeah,
You
I do
inspired
that.
me.
I do that a lot. I
Some
come
of us
here.
were just waiting for some bait to take us
Never.
out.
Which bay? Do
The
it.
one who come.
Oh, please. I come here every day for lunch, and if I want, I sleep over.
I'm so
Like it's a
inspired.
holiday,
I'm
and
so
I have so
inspired.
much fun by myself.
Wow.
You don't need a man to be happy.
Oh my God, you taught me.
You
a lot
don't
of
need a
things.
man
The
to be
few minutes
happy.
I've spent with you.
Yes.
I saw,
Make
you
yourself
ordered lunch,
happy.
We had lunch
Yes.
here, and you
Happy
it's a normal
yourself.
thing.
Even you guys over there. Spoil yourself. myself. And I spoil myself like something.
Yeah.
I finish my money.
Yeah,
I
it's
chop
never-
my own money. Even if my money are 2 cents, it's my money.
I love that. I love
Every
the
day
spirit.
it's
I
a
love the
Friday for me.
attitude. I
Every
don't
day
know.
it's a Friday. I don't
You
care about
always
people.
wait for it to rain, and it never rains. Hoping that when it rains, I'll come here and spoil myself, but it never rains. So I should just create time for myself and spoil myself,
Yeah.
spoil the kids and
True
stuff.
that. With your children, yeah.
And people should never take it for granted that beautiful women have it all.
It's true.
They're in tears, just like me. I
Thank
was in
you,
tears.
Fari.
Thanks, Mai Titi.
Thanks, Fari,
Thanks.
guys. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Oh my God.
Many
I never
people
thought
like
this would be like this. Oh
song.
my God.
Yeah,
Mai
waiting.
Titi.
Which one? What is that song? Yeah, waiting. Which one? Fari.
Which one? I'll always love you.
Bitter,
Don't
sweet
sing.
memories. That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye. Don't cry. And
Guys, bye. I wish I could sing. I was going to help you.
Guys, I love you. Bye. I will
Oh my
always
God.
love you guys. Bye.